So before I start, do y'all see those 2 cans of spinach right there? Yeah, I asked my son to give me some spinach, and that's what he bought me. So that was just a jokey joke. I'm not putting that shit in the soup. I'm using fresh spinach, but I'm not going to talk throughout this whole thing. I just wanted to let you guys know that this turned out awesome. I've been wanting to make a different type of soup. Like, the chicken and wild rice soup is awesome, but I was like, you know what? I really want to try this. And, you know, me going to Olive Garden to get soup, that's just not in the cards. So, you know what? What the hell? Let's try to make this shit. So it was a lot of ingredients. It was. It took a couple of extra minutes, but it was worth it. It was really worth it. The little miniature meatballs, I thought they were so cute. They were so flavorful. They're filled with garlic, chives, and sage. And yeah, it was really good. Carrots, one of my favorites. We got some onions in here, and what was the other one? Celery, which I'm not too fond of, but you can't even taste it, so it's not too bad. So I'm adding the small pasta in, and this is not the pasta that they used in the recipe. I wanted to use the exact same pasta, but the store didn't have the pasta that I wanted. So I ended up using that, which I Googled it and it said it works just as well. So that's cool. It turned out all right. I'm gonna save some of the meatballs that I didn't use, and I'm gonna freeze them. So, you know, I don't know. I could use them for something else. So there's that spinach we really needed, okay? Yeah, got that fresh spinach. So here's the pasta that was used in the recipe, in case you wanted to try it.